Malaysian bonds have outperformed Malaysian equities in 2019. Will we see the same in 2020? What were the key issues plaguing investors last year? Will we see brighter days ahead? Hello, I'm Doreen Choo from eastspring Investments, and this is our market outlook for 2020. So what is the story for 2020? The story rests on three key questions. Will there be a trade deal? Will global growth stabilize and set the stage for a cyclical recovery? Or will the US finally enter recession in 2020? Are there any domestic catalysts in sight? Our base case is for the trade war to be a protracted affair. In the short term though, a deal may be struck, but a comprehensive and meaningful resolution is still elusive. Why? This is because the war goes beyond trade into areas such as tech dominance, intellectual property protection, and market access. Putting these bigger structural issues aside, on balance, a cessation of higher tariffs or status quo is more likely than an escalation given the relatively high tariffs already imposed by the two nations. But we ask the question, will trade wars be the norm? Will the US start other trade wars? Already, there is friction with Europe over civil aircraft and food products. Nevertheless, market will stage a relief rally at any US-China trade deal. This is because most portfolios have already reflected the bulk of bad news and are defensively positioned. Therefore, any trade truce, although temporary, will see a relief rally. But if there is no near-term trade deal, how can we benefit from a prolonged trade war? There is factory relocation out of China. This is a structural trend which has been set in motion to diversify the production base. We expect more of this to come in 2020 once final demand stabilizes and uncertainties recede. To grab these opportunities, Malaysia needs to work hard to compete with other countries to attract foreign direct investments to mitigate the trade war. Approved FDI has jumped. However, overall, actual FDI flows have yet to rise convincingly. Therefore, we need to focus on converting approved FDIs into realized FDIs.